Hey everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password in Aliexpress. If you want to change the password of your Aliexpress account, then the process is quite simple. Simply go ahead and open your Aliexpress application or log into aliexpress.com on a web browser. Once you're in the main homepage of Aliexpress, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right hand corner. From the display, select the settings icon at the top right hand corner. Under the settings menu, tap on profile at the very top. Tap on account info from the profile menu. You'll then be presented with your member ID, email address and password options. To change to a new password, tap the password button and enter the verification code sent to your associated email address. Now, you'll need to go ahead and enter the 6-digit code sent to you on this particular email. Tap on Get Code and wait for the code to arrive. Once you receive a code from Aliexpress, tap it open. Now, you'll need to type in this code sent to you via email. Get back to the Aliexpress application and type in the code. After you do that, tap on Verify. Now, on the next page, type in your new password in the first text box. Retype in the password one more time. And finally, tap on Update Password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password in Aliexpress. Tap the Continue button and whenever you log into your account, you'll now need to type in the new password. So that was how you can easily change your password in Aliexpress application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.